So my name is Avinash and today I am going to explain a sums which is belongs to different integrations. In this sums we observe that now integrations is in forms of different integrations where lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by 4. That's why we can apply in these integrations a properties when 0 to a when 0 to a fx dx we can write it 0 to a f pi by 4 a minus x dx. We apply these properties in this expressions. Now first of all let it is equation number 1. After apply these properties, I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. Next step we observe that here tan pi by 4 minus x, that means tan a minus b. We can write tan a minus b, it is equal to tan a minus tan b whole divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So we can write it 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x whole divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x dx. In next step we simplify this term. So I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus in bracket. You know that tan pi by 4 means tan 45. Now tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus tan x whole divided by 1 plus tan x dx. Here the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan x, it is equal to tan x. In next step we take a LCM of this 1 divided by 1 or this one. Then I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus 1 minus tan x whole divided by 1 plus tan x dx. When we open this bracket, log 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x whole divided by 1 plus tan x dx. Now plus and minus is cancelled. Therefore I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan x dx. In this expressions log 2 upon 1 plus tan x, that means log a by b. Now what is the formulas of log a by b? Log a by b, it is equal to log a minus log b. We apply this formula in this expressions. So 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x dx. Now let it is equation number 2. Next step, we are going to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So LHS I plus I, P is equal to 2I, and RHS, both integrations have same range 0 to pi by 4. Here 0 to pi by 4, so we have to take common 0 to pi by 4 outside. Now 1 simple log 1 plus tan x plus in second expressions log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x dx. Now here this magnitude is positive and this magnitude is negative. That's why this one and this one are cancelled. So 2I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dx. We know that log 2 is a constant and we can't find the values of integrations of log 2. That's why log 2 go outside of this integrations. So log 2 integrate 0 to pi by 4 dx and simplify it. When we apply integrations, now we get x and range 0 to pi by 4. Two I log 2 into, first of all put the values of x, it is equal to pi by 4, next minus 0. When we simplify it, now we get I equal to 2I is equal to log 2 into pi by 4. Next, I equal to pi by 8 log 2. Now we are going again explain these sums. Okay, now we are given I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. From these questions we observe that these sums belongs to our definite integrals. That's why we apply these properties for this sum. Here when 0 to a fx dx, we can write this sums in the forms of 0 to a f a minus x dx. Now let this equation number 1, equation of this, it is equal to 1. Now after change this integrals, we get I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. Apply this properties here. Now simplify it. Tan a minus b means tan a minus tan b whole divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Here the values of a is pi by 4 and b is x. In next step we simplify it. The values of tan pi by 4 is 1 and 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So take LCMs of 1 plus tan x and 1. It is equal to 1 plus tan x. So when we simplify these expressions, we get this one. Here when we open this bracket, now plus and minus same identities. That's why it is cancelled. We get 1 plus 1 2 upon this one. In next step we know that the properties of log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Here b is 1 plus tan x, that's why log 1 plus tan x. Now Let this expression is equation number 2. Now we are going to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. LHS I plus I, it is equal to 2I. Now from first equations 0 to pi by 4 and second equations 0 to pi by 4, both equations have same range, same integrations, so that's why we have to take its common. Now first 1 log 1 plus tan x plus log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x. We observe that same quantity, same magnitude have opposite signs. Here it is plus and here it is minus, that's why this 2 ones is cancelled. We get log 2. Now log 2 is a constant, we are not able to find, otherwise log 2 is constant, so we take out this expressions from limit. Now in second step we are going to integrate dx. Now here it is equal to 1. Now integrations of 1 is x. Now range of this integrations is 0 to pi by 4. We are going to put the values of x pi by 4, first of all pi by 4 and next of all 0, so pi by 4 minus 0. Now we are simplified, we get final answer I equal to pi by 8 log 2.